Dear student, today we are going to study about basic structure of an HTML document. A very HTML program contains four essential tags. The first one is HTML and /HTML. It is the first element of a web page. That is, every program start with a HTML tag and end with a /HTML tag, and it indicates to web browser that the page is an HTML document. Then second one is head and /head tag. It specifies the header information about an HTML document and it contains the title of the web page. Then third one is title and /title. It provides a title for a web page and it enclosed with head tag. The title is displayed in the title of the web browser window. Then next one, body and /body. It provides the content for a web page. It specifies the content like audio, video, images and other media element to be displayed in a web page. Okay, then dear student, this is a simple HTML program. Then remember, every HTML program start with a HTML tag and end with a /HTML tag. Then next head. Then we can write the title of the web page within the head tag. Then welcome message, the title of the web page. Then body, welcome to web designing. Then /body. Then now you can see that output of this code here. Title is displayed on the title of the web browser window, and body, welcome to web designing, is the body element. Okay, then next we are going to study about attribute of the body tag. In the last class we have studied attribute. What is attribute? Attribute are explaining how to display the HTML document. The first attribute of the body tag is background. Okay, the background is used to include a picture or image as background. Okay, the syntax is body background equal to path. Here body is the tag and background is the attribute and path equal to attribute value. If you want to insert a picture to background, then you can give picture name as path. Okay, then next one is bg color. bg color used to include a color to web page. Then syntax is body bg color equal to color. Here body is tag, bg color equal to attribute and color equal to attribute value. For example, body bg color equal to light green. Okay, now you can see the output. The output of the document, the background of the document is light green. Okay, then third one is text. Text is used to give a color to text. Syntax body text equal to color. Then for example, body then text equal to red. Then you can see the output. The text color is red. That is welcome to Exposoft technology. Then next we are going to learn the common tag used in the body section. The first one is heading tag. Heading tag can be used to provide the main heading or subheading. HTML support the 6 heading H1 to H6. What the difference between this heading? Then see, for example H1 first page equal to /H1. Here first page is the heading 1. Okay, then next H2 second page /H2. Then second page is the heading 2. As well that H3, H4, H5, H6. Okay, now you can see the output of this code. the size of the first heading is largest and the size of the second heading is smaller than the first heading and the size of the last heading smallest. Okay, then next we are going to study center tag. What is the use of the center tag? Yes, center tag used to align text to center. Okay, if you want to set the heading to center, then you can use the center and slash center tag. Okay, then next one is font style tag. Font style tag are used to beautify the characters. They are B for bold, and I for italic, and U for underline. How we can use it? You can see B bold, slash B. Then is used for to make a text bold. Then I italic slash I. Then I is used for to make a text italic. Then U underline slash U to give underline to a text. Clear? Then next one BR tag or line break tag. In the last class we have studied empty tag. What is an empty tag? Empty tag containing only starting tag. Okay, then BR tag is an empty tag. Then what is the use of the BR tag? BR tag is used for new lines. Okay, if you want to insert a new line in your document, then you can give BR tag in between the lines. Okay, then next one is subscript tag or sub tag. Okay, the subscript tag is used to display text in the subscript format, for example H2 C2. Then how we can write? Yes, you can see H sub 2 slash sub. Then next one superscript tag. Then superscript tag is used to display the text or number in the superscript format, that is A square B square. Then we can write A sub 2 slash sub. Okay, then next one is strike or S tag. This tag is used to draw a line the middle of the text. Then see, for example, S, this is a strike line, then slash S. Then you can see the output of the code here. This is a strike line. Okay, do you understand today class? If you have any doubt, then ask it to me. Thank you.